Hello, readers, and thank you for joining me all the way through to Lesson 4. Lesson 4, of course, this is Morpheme Matrices, words with the base word port. Do you remember what port means? It means to carry. That's right. That's been our skill from the week. As we continue to say, port is a free root, which means it can stand on its own as a word. Root words can have affixes added to them to create new or connected words. And of course, affixes are prefixes or suffixes. So when we add prefixes or suffixes to a word, you slightly change the meaning to a more precise definition. Today we are going to practice adding some prefixes and suffixes to our root. All week we added prefixes on lesson 1, these 3 prefixes. In lesson 2, we added these 3 suffixes. In lesson 3, we added these 4 suffixes. Today, we're going to bring it all together. And we're going to look at how we can add prefixes and suffixes to the root word port to make new words. Now, I'm going to show you how to do one, and then I'm going to invite you to make some more. There's actually over 20 words we can build, all related to port. So again, this is how it might look with the morpheme matrix. You may have seen one of these before. If not, that's what this is. Our prefixes go here. Our root word goes here. And our suffixes go here. And we're going to use these. Of course, it means it's free, and this means to carry. Now, I put all these here because you have to know what these mean to create the words. So let me show you how we could do this. I could use the prefix M, the root word port, and the suffix ation. I can put those together, and I have importation. Now, that's not a word that we hear very familiar, but if I know what these word parts mean, M means in, into, within, or toward. Ation means the act or state of. So, if I add those together, and I take all those definitions, I combine them, importation, there's the act or process of carrying something into a place. Remember, import means to carry into. So it's the act of carrying something into another place. Now, it's your turn. I want you to see if you can build some words. This is a place on the video you can pause the screen and just leave it up on the board and see how many words you can build. Now, I will tell you, some things you put together are not real words, and that's okay. The idea is see how many you can create. Like I said, there's at least 20, and use what you know to create those words and see if you can figure out what they mean. See if you can use them in a sentence. And until then, happy reading.